Hi friends, my name is Umair and you are watching UT Info. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe and press bell icon to get all updates from us. Today we will talk about Artugrul Ghazi series season 2 episode number 2 in Urdu Hindi dubbed. Artugrul Ghazi series has broken all the records on famous YouTube. YouTube channel has approximately 2.1 million subscribers of Artugrul Ghazi. Turkish radio and television is creating it available to enormous viewers and affecting the public interest. The famous serial Drills Artugrul is entirely available in under Urdu and Hindi title Artugrul Ghazi. The series was taken part between the years of 2014 to 2019. The first series of Artugrul Ghazi has been watched approximately 30 million views on YouTube in the last 4 weeks. Although the drama was watched 13 million views in 11 years in Turkey. Many sites are uploading the Artugrul Ghazi's episode in Urdu. You can check the latest website that are uploading the Artugrul Ghazi all episodes in Urdu. Artugrul Ghazi is gaining popularity day by day all over the world. Now it is one of the best action and drama series in the world. Artugrul Ghazi is a top-rated Turkish drama series. Prime Minister of Pakistan had appealed to the Turkish government to dub this series in Urdu and Hindi. Now the Artugrul Ghazi serial is available in Urdu and Hindi also. It showed the world victories of Muslims in 13th century. Is currently broadcast in Hindi and Urdu. Rapid Writers is one of the best websites to download all the episodes of Artugrul Ghazi in Urdu and Hindi. Applicants can see all the latest episodes in Urdu and Hindi dubbing or Urdu titles. You can also see the Artugrul Ghazi episodes online on this website. You can watch the series in Urdu and Hindi language. You can view all episodes in Urdu and Hindi without commercials on Rapid Viral. Rapid Viral can also upload all the episodes of Artugrul Ghazi on Facebook and Twitter. The link of the episode is in description. Simply go to description and click on the link and watch Artugrul Ghazi season 2 episode number 2 in Urdu Hindi dub. It's all about from this video. Thanks for watching.